Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Outlook, then File, Options, and Customize ribbon so you can edit immediately. Once there, pick an existing tab or create a new one. This determines scope and visibility. If you plan to add macros or ActiveX, enable the Developer tab first. Otherwise, skip it. Make sure to name a custom group so commands are organized. This helps later when you add or remove commands. Begin with one simple change so you can test quickly. Now add the commands you need. Choose from popular commands or all commands and click Add. When you add, create a new group so commands sit where you want them. Rename groups and select icons for quick visual scanning. Use the up/down arrows to reorder both groups and entire tabs. Consistency matters for speed. Once done, test the layout by composing or reading mail. If something feels off, move it. This granular control speeds your workflow considerably. Finish by clicking OK to apply changes, then export your customization file so you can restore it later. If a custom tab breaks or disappears, use Customize Ribbon and choose Reset for the affected tab or the whole ribbon. Reset is safe for layout, not data. If commands tied to add-ins fail, restart Outlook and temporarily disable suspect add-ins. This isolates conflicts. If problems persist, import your backup or recreate the.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.